Ever wonder if your Galaxy S25 Ultra's vibration motor is working perfectly? You can run a quick diagnostic to check both call and notification vibration. No special tools needed. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find device care. Tap device care. Scroll down the screen. Under additional care section, tap diagnostic. Then tap phone diagnostic to open the full list of tests. Look for the vibration icon and then tap it. If this is your first time, the test will start immediately. If you have already tested it before, tap test again. First, the phone will check the call vibration. Tap vibrate. Feel your phone buzz, then tap yes to confirm. Next, it will check the notification vibration. Tap vibrate. Feel the buzz, then tap yes to confirm. If you can feel both vibration and confirm them, you will see normal as the result for call and notification vibration. And that's it. Now you know for sure that your phone's vibration alert are working just right. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.